Forecast across southeast Nebraska. I think a lot of us will be in the middle and upper 90s to nearing 100 degrees yet again. We've only hit 100 degrees one other time this year. And if you remember that was just last Wednesday when we saw those strong storms. We are expecting another cold front to drop south throughout the day today. But it is expected to be a dry frontal passage this time, which I think a lot of those, especially in Douglas and Sarpy County, that are still affected by some power outages are relieved to hear that. The heat index forecast today, again, only just a degree or two warmer I think than actual air temperatures will be, and that heat advisory in place for today is largely due to those that are still expecting to be out of power for another day or so. Kind of combined with some of those harsh conditions, heat index values could be up to 103 degrees. Those people will certainly be feeling it, and hence why there are heat advisories only in place for Sarpy and Douglas County for today. Now, despite that, we are expected to be warm and kind of humid throughout southeast Nebraska with winds. They'll be picking up throughout the day today. They've been fairly steady overnight. You see Lincoln still around 9 miles an hour, a little bit stronger in Columbus. When you see 10 to 15 mile per hour winds overnight, temperatures don't tend to fall that much, and that's what we've seen so far this morning. Partly cloudy, but mostly clear skies out there right now. A little bit more cloud cover associated with some of those showers that have been dissipating so far this morning. But here's a look at that cold front that'll be coming here throughout this afternoon and really into the evening hours before we see it. A little more cloud cover associated with that frontal passage. Maybe we squeeze out a few sprinkles south of I-80, but most of us will be dry after that cold front comes and much cooler. The good news is that cool air is expected to last for a while. We fall down to 66 tomorrow morning. Is going to feel a lot better than 77 it is right now. 82 though on Tuesday, just in time for Stuff the Bus Drive with LPS. We'll be here from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. right at the station in the parking lot collecting school supplies for the upcoming school year. That's just right around the corner, and then you'll see that more active pattern build in by the end of this week, keeping us cool for quite some time.
Yeah, seeing that 78 on Saturday is going to feel a lot better than the 100 today.
Yeah, it certainly doesn't look like a typical August forecast, but I'm here for the pattern change and the cooler weather that's just around the corner.
Definitely. All right, thanks so much, Jessica.